In 1967, R.P. Vash, a devotee of Baba, came to Kachi to see Baba. He was being transferred to Delhi and he told Baba that he wanted to tour Kashmir before taking up his post. When Vash was leaving, Baba gave him an umbrella and said him, "Keep it with you. It rains heavily there." Vash hesitated to accept the umbrella and said, "I have an umbrella at home. This one will serve many peoples here at the ashram." Baba did not listen to him and again asked him to keep it with him. During his stay in Kashmir, Vash went about holding the umbrella. On his return to Delhi, he again went to Kachi for Baba's darshan and to return the umbrella. On seeing him, Baba said, "You have came to return the umbrella." Baba then said, "Keep it with you. It will be a protective umbrella over you." Vash did not understand what Baba meant, but he went back to Delhi taking the umbrella with him. In 1978, 5 years after Baba Mahasamadhi, Vash was transferred to Lucknow and left his extra luggage, including the umbrella, at his house in Delhi. In Lucknow, he started suffering from heart, liver, and spleen trouble. A checkup at Balrampur Hospital revealed that his spleen was enlarged by 13 centimeters, but the doctors did not advise an operation due to his heart trouble, as no other treatment was available to him in Lucknow. He and his wife went to All India Institute of Medical Science in Delhi. Back in Delhi, Vash was getting ready to go from his house to the hospital when his wife noticed the umbrella lying there. The idea came to her that by not keeping the umbrella gifted to him by Maharaj with him always, he might have been deprived of Baba's protection. In the hot month of June, Srimati Vash escorted her husband to the hospital and hid the umbrella under his pillow. Vash was examined thoroughly once again. His spleen was still enlarged by 13 centimeters. The doctor told him that he would have to stay in the hospital for 6 months and agreed that it was not advisable to operate on the spleen in his condition. They would have to rely on medicines to effect a cure. They told him that he would have to take a special tablet once a month that would reduce his spleen by 2.5 centimeters over 30 days. He took the first tablet the same day. The next morning he felt so much better that he asked the doctor to get his spleen examined again. Saying encouraging words to him, the doctor explained that the process of measuring would be repeated after 6 months, not every day. Vash was not satisfied with this and sent his wife to the chief medical superintendent with a request to get the spleen examined again as a special case. The superintendent ordered it to be remeasured, and the result showed that his spleen had indeed reduced in a size of 13 centimeters. Since the tablet was not that effective, the doctors were all amazed as sudden change. When they expressed their surprise to Vash, he pulled out the umbrella and said, "By its grace, Ram, Ram."